Hey everybody, Brian from Innisfil Creek Honey. I thought I'd do a short video on how to put a package of bees into a top bar hive. So this is our top bar hive. We had it painted up a few days ago. The paint's nice and dry. The first thing you want to do is set up your top bar hive to accept your package of bees. You want them to be somewhat cozy. So what I've done here is I have 2, 4, 6 top bars set up. I have the follower board at the back. And I'm going to now install the bees in the hive. So the package is in here. I'll first take the lid off and pull it out gently without disrupting them too much. I got to grab the queen cage out of here and with the queen in it. Oops. So there's the queen cage. It's got a cap on it. Need to remove that cap so they can get to the sugar candy. Then I'm going to suspend this cage in the hive between 2 rails, like that, okay? I'm gonna take the bars out. Now I need to get the bees into the hive. So there's a whole bunch of the bees festooning off the lid. And it's very simple to get them in. One quick shake into the hive, and they're off the lid. Now we have the bees that are in the box here. First, we tap them down inside and then shake them in and put them out front. They're quite docile at this stage because they have no hive to protect. I'm gonna put the bars in, only to have 6. I'm gonna slide the follower board close. Now they are in their hive. And that's basically it. The queen's in there, so they'll stay near the queen. And now they think they have swarmed. So they're inside their top bar. They're in a cavity. They'll now start collecting pollen and nectar, and they'll start building the infrastructure of their hive. And it's that simple to put your bees inside a top bar hive. Anyways, Brian, Innisfil Creek Honey. If you ever have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.